Line 1. Class solution. This is the start of our solution class. Line 2. Public void segregate elements, int, ARR. This method segregates positive and negative numbers in place. Line 3. Int n equals ARR length. We store the length of the array in variable n. Line 4. Int temp equals new int n. We create a temporary array to help rearrange elements. Line 5. Int j equals 0. Initialize a pointer j to track position in the temp array. Line 6. For int I equals 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Loop through the array to collect positive elements. Line 7. If ARR I equals 0. If the current element is non-negative. Line 8. Temp j equals RR I. Store it in temp and increment j. Line 9. Close the if condition. Line 10. End of the first for loop. Line 11. For int I equals 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Second loop to collect negative elements. Line 12. If ARR I 0. If the current element is negative. Line 13. Temp j equals RR I. Add it to the temp array and increment j. Line 14. Close the if condition. Line 15. End of the second for loop. Line 16. For int I equals 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Now, copy all elements from temp back to original array. Line 17. ARR I equals temp I. Assign temp's element back to the array. Line 18. End of the third for loop. Line 19. Close the segregate elements method. Line 20. End of the solution class.